to DM Astrology. Today in the series of 2021, we are going to see what is the result for Sagittarius. Sagittarius sign, Sagittarius moon, what will be going to happen for 2021. Now, who will apply this video or who comes under this video? Those having name starting with DH, that is the, BH, that is B, PH means for, or from F. So they are the people who comes under the Sagittarius moon. Those having the wording this letters, they also come. Whose moon is placed in the Sagittarius, those also come. And those having a Sagittarius ascendant, they will be also come under this video. So let us see how the year is. Now your Rashi Lord, the Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. So your Rashi Lord Jupiter itself is in the Capricorn sign, creating the Neecha Bhanga Rajyo. So your sign Lord is very powerful this year, and you will be gained with the many results that you are able to achieve since a long period. So related to health, first of all we see that your health Lord, your ascendant Lord Jupiter or Rashi Lord is placed in the second house with the Saturn. So this is a good year for the health improvement. You have to take care of your health and try to improve all your deficiency what you are facing since years or since past some years. Whatever you are facing, that you are going to cure in this year. As your ascendant Lord or your Rashi Lord is creating Neecha Bhang Rajo, so where you are already being down, already being not good in the health, it will improve. So do take the good benefit of your health, improve your health, entire year focus on the health part and you will be benefit like anything. We'll see what are the disease or the deficiency you may be facing in the disease section, but presently related to health, literally there is no problem and there are many chance of improvement in your health and whatever the things you are facing earlier time. So my dear friends, for your health you are safe. Now coming to your finance. Related to the finance, it's a good year as your finance Lord itself in the finance house with the Karak Jupiter. Here it is not placed in this house, so it is not a Karak of Bhavana, but the Lord Saturn is with the Jupiter. So whatever your pending monies are there, whatever your financial situation that you want, you wish to improve, that you will find this year. Many money that is pending, the rotation is hold, that you will get benefit out of it. So that way it is a very good year whereby you will be able to get the good financial benefit. So invest in the right direction so that you can multiple your money. Go and ask the people to whom you have some money pending. So that way it is good. Also it is a good for your relationship also. Your close relationship, family relationship, anywhere where you will talk, it will be improving your relationship. And those having a good cordial relationship, there also you will find a good improvement in relation. And due to your relation, good wording, good talk, good communication, you will be getting more benefit from this. While Jupiter will transit to the Aquarius sign, it's a good time to travel. Between 6th of April to 22nd of September, Jupiter will come hyper in your this sign and the Aquarius sign in third house. So lot of traveling is expecting and that will give you a good result. So finance and relation wise also good. Now considering the wealth wise, the property or any kind of a wealth if you are expecting, then that way also it is a Lord Jupiter again, it's a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga. So whatever the old properties you possess, that you can hedge and buy a new property. It's a good year to either renovate your house or it's a good year whereby you will get good benefit from your old property. So if any old property is there, you try to sell and not getting a good price earlier, now it's a time where you will get a good price and you will be able to buy a new property. So it is good to invest this year in the wealth wise in the under construction or anything into the property. Do see your own chart where it is indicating that all property, resale property, new property, under construction property, open plot, which kind of a property is suitable for you. And for any kind of a luxury comfort also, it is a good year to buy a property, car, luxury things in your life. Coming to the education part, your basic education like a degree, 10th class, 12th class, or any education that you are basic education pursuing, that is also somewhat creating a good result. So you may concentrate on the higher education, you may be concentrating in your basic education, and you will be getting benefit out of it. So do concentrate on your education, complete your education, and get good benefit out of it. So education wise, perfect year for you. Considering the higher education, when you see as a higher education, it's somewhat difficult but not impossible. So first of all, focus on the education, basic education, and try to improve your higher education part, or applying for the master degree, PhD, or anything. That also will be able to get in this year. So education wise also it is good. Now more precaution is needed for the disease, because in your disease house the Rahu is placed. Even though it is considered as exalted, so it may not show you the real cause of what you are suffering insidely. So you have to be very careful that any minor symptoms also you have to taken care, and you have to always do the diagnosis, do check with the medical assistance. So medication is more important. Your hidden enemies also try to make you suffer, but they will not succeed. So don't worry about it. And related to your health and your disease, you have to be little careful. Now considering the children wise, if you are planning for the children, it's a good time. You may get a good result during the entire year, as your Jupiter is powerful. So you may go for the child planning, and you may get in entire year 2021 is good for child planning. And for your children also, if you already have a children and you wish to do something for them, either investment, either for their education, either for the marriage, career, whatever level, whatever sector you wish to improve their life, that way also it is a good time that you may able to do that. So related to the child, related to children luck, it is a good time. You may concentrate on it and get a good result. Now creating the marriage. For marriage house, this is also a somewhat a good time. It's not a purely good time, but somewhat a good time that you may concentrate on your marriage proposal, or if you are planning for the marriage, it's a good time. So if you are seeing any opportunity, if you are the already process is going on, you are working on some good alliance, then it is a good time, but it will be a somewhat difficult for you to finding the right person. As a Jupiter Saturn in the second house, it's giving you very too many opportunity, but exactly you will find the right opportunity between this April to September, where the Jupiter exactly come to the Aquarius, you will be getting blessed. So till that time, this 4 months, starting 4 months till April, you have to plan, you have to see so many opportunity, and out of that you will get something. So all the way marriage will be somewhat difficult, but you will be able to manage. Those who are already married, they will also find some difficulties, but overall the marriage life pleasure is good. You are not going to face any hardship or any negativity related to the marriage. Going for the job, this is not a right year to change the job. Wherever you are there, just stay there, because Rahu in 6th house is not considered good, and this Rahu is also aspecting your 10th house. So it will be more burden, more pressure on the work. Even though if you change the job, the situation remains same. So what is the need of changing job? At least in the present environment, you are aware that who's a problem, where is a problem, and you know the solution also. So it is not a right decision to go for the change of job. Remain in the job and face the challenges, It's good for the entire year. You face the challenge. And for business and profession also, I will not advise to start anything new. You may be facing lot of problems. See, you may think that it's a growth, you'll getting some good benefit, but no, it's not good for you, as a Jupiter is also aspecting your 10th house, and Rahu is also aspecting. It's lot of problem you may face. So nothing new business wise or profession wise you are going to start. Whatever you are going, you're running, continue it, face the challenge and get improvement, but not to start anything new, right? That you have to keep in the mind. For foreign traveling, yes, it's a good opportunity to start foreign traveling, and that window of April to September, as I already mentioned, that short distance traveling also may happen. Simultaneously, you may visit the foreign country also during that period, and it will be benefit for you. So foreign traveling, yes, for education, for career, for anywhere, you can go for the foreign traveling. And those who are already staying in the abroad, they can also may apply that window between April to September to apply for their PR or apply for their citizenship. That good time it is. So you can apply for the foreign things. It's not a problem for you. Related to social and friend circle, it will be somewhat dry. You will not find the exact feelings. What you are putting the feelings, you will not get back that feelings from the social circle, friend circle, from your close, near and dear people. So it is better to keep some margin, some level, so that you should not cross that level, and you will not allow to use yourself for others. Otherwise, others will use you. They will take the benefit out of you, and you will not get benefit. So social and friends, okay, just whenever get the opportunity is okay, but not to go behind that. It will not be so useful. Related to the expenditure, as your Ketu in the 12th house, so it's not showing any new expenditure, but as a Rahu is aspecting, so you have to be very careful about any contingent expenditure, any unexpected and sudden expenditure. So do calculate everything and not to spend suddenly, or not to spend on the things which you are not useful. So before spending anything, just calculate it, recalculate it, or you can concern others prior to spending anything in the expenditure. Related to investment, okay, the silent investment is good, where you not find so good result, but at least you will be benefited from it. So you should go ahead with the investment and get the good result. So investment wise, you may do the investment, there is no loss, and plan for the long term, it will be good. Related to the litigation, if you are facing any litigation, this is a time where you can settle, because dispute should not be raised or dispute should not be continued. So if you get a chance of amicable settlement or outside settlement, don't go for the real litigation, it may cause you harm. So you are not going for the real any kind of a litigation, but try to solve anything outside the court or outside amicable settlement in the litigation. Related to the spirituality and religious aspect, it's a good. You may go for the spirituality, you may go for the religious, and so many ceremonies you may be a part of that. So may visit the pilgrims, may visit the worship place, temple, or religious things also, as well as spirituality will develop slowly during this year. So that also will be going good. Related to name, fame and recognition, as I already mentioned, that Jupiter is also aspecting and Rahu also aspecting. So it will be a mix kind of a result you may find. Somewhere your efforts will be paid, and somewhere, even though you work hard, you will not be getting. So don't expect 100% result of your efforts, but you will be getting benefit out of it. So don't worry about it. Name, fame, recognition, position, whatever you are doing, continue it. Some portion will be recognized, somewhere you will find a lift, and somewhere it will be a silent, but nothing to be so worried. Now, considering the remedial part, that is very, very important. So what you have to do for the remedy for entire year? See, this is a year of investment for you, so better go for the long term investment. As the Jupiter Saturn in your second house, I will advise you to go for the any long term investment. Do invest. If you are investing in the people, very good. Investing, that is a relationship. Investing into the money, gold, or any property, movable or immobile, tangible, intangible, this is the right year. So do start any investment, that will be the good remedy, and you will find a long term good goal. You may achieve the goal, you will find a good result for the long term. So for you, it is good to invest either FD, RD, SIP, any kind of a systematic investment. You should go ahead and find a good result. So that's a year ahead of 2021 for Sagittarius people, and I hope you like this video and you will be utilizing and getting that outline and plan accordingly for this year. Stay blessed. God bless you. For consultation, you can always contact me in my number mentioned here, and for my video, you can like, share and subscribe my channel DM Astrology. For many information you will find, or you may go to my website www.dm-astrology.com. So thank you very much viewers for listening this and getting good result in the year ahead. Thank you. Namaste. Stay blessed. God bless you.